Where does the name for Aber-pwll come from? So today we're just north of Felinheli in Gwynedd, in a very small hamlet called Aber-pwll. Let's get into the name.
The name can be split into two parts. Firstly, Aber, which means the outflow or mouth of a river, from Proto-Celtic abu, and then pwll, meaning a pool, which is either from Proto-Brythonic pwll, meaning a pool, from Old English pull, meaning a tidal pool, or Old Norse pollur, meaning a pool. I personally think the Proto-Brythonic route is most likely. The Aber here is either where the stream that I believe is called Nantagarth meets the Aber-pwll, or it's where the Aber-pwll meets the sea.
So which pwll is it talking about?
The pwll could be either the large pool in Hendrelas covert, or perhaps refers to the deep pools which form the core of the old slate keys, where the Aber-pwll meets the sea. I've heard both theories, but would love to hear which one you think is most likely in the comments. According to Reg Chambers-Jones's book, Felinheli, A Personal History of the Port of Dinorwic, Aber-pwll was one of the two original hamlets of the area that eventually merged to become Felinheli, the other being Tafarn Grisha near St Mary's. According to the same book, it was the original location of a mill on the Aber-pwll, which goes through the middle of it, before it was rebuilt closer to the sea in 1633, and gave its name to Felinheli, literally the saltwater mill. Unfortunately, I didn't have long to explore the hamlet as I was passing through back to Bangor, and it was getting dark. I did, however, find this beautiful telephone box that follows the original 1930s design. Also, I did see some beautiful houses and got to see the Aber-pwll, which I think is one of the prettier rivers in the area.
So the name literally means the pool of the confluence. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.